You can understand English. You can read English. But can you speak English naturally for a full day routine? Let's practice it today. Because in this video, we are going to speak English from morning to night, step by step, without fear. Welcome to my channel, where you learn English naturally through listening, speaking, shadowing, and real-life practice. So now, take a deep breath, relax, and let's start today's English practice.
All right. For the last few days, we practiced daily life English in small parts. But today, we're connecting everything together: morning routine, school English, afternoon, evening, and night routine. So today's practice will feel more real, more natural, and more fluent. So now, relax. Speak continuously with me and enjoy today's full-day English speaking practice. Okay, let's start with easy daily life sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink water after waking up. I drink water after waking up. I get ready for school. I get ready for school. I wear my school uniform. I wear my school uniform. I pack my school bag carefully. I pack my school bag carefully. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. Then I leave for school. Then I leave for school. I talk to my friends in school. I talk to my friends in school. I greet my teachers politely. I greet my teachers politely. I answer questions in the classroom. I answer questions in the classroom. I learn new things every day. I learn new things every day. I enjoy studying with my classmates. I enjoy studying with my classmates. I help my friends when they need support. I help my friends when they need support. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class. I write important notes in my notebook. I write important notes in my notebook. I eat lunch during break time. I eat lunch during break time. After school, I come back home. After school, I come back home. I change my clothes and relax for some time. I change my clothes and relax for some time. I use my phone and watch videos. I use my phone and watch videos. I spend some time with my family. I spend some time with my family. I listen to my favorite songs. I listen to my favorite songs. I read interesting books in my free time. I read interesting books in my free time. I practice drawing whenever I have free time. I practice drawing whenever I have free time. I watch educational videos online. I watch educational videos online. I learn new English words every day. I learn new English words every day. I spend time improving my skills. I spend time improving my skills. I organize my study table before studying. I organize my study table before studying. I revise what I learned in school. I revise what I learned in school. Then I start my homework. Then I start my homework. I study quietly in my room. I study quietly in my room. In the evening, I practice spoken English. In the evening, I practice spoken English. Sometimes I go outside for a walk. Sometimes I go outside for a walk. At night, I eat dinner with my family. At night, I eat dinner with my family. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I brush my teeth before sleeping. Finally, I go to bed and sleep peacefully. Finally, I go to bed and sleep peacefully. Excellent! Now let's speak more smoothly and naturally. This time, don't stop after every sentence. Just follow my voice and continue speaking with me. Ready? Let's go. I wake up early in the morning and turn off my alarm. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink some water. Then I get ready for school and pack my school bag carefully. I eat breakfast with my family and leave for school on time. In school, I talk to my friends and listen carefully in class. I write notes in my notebook and eat lunch during break time. After school, I come back home and relax for some time. Then I use my phone, watch videos, and start my homework. In the evening, I practice spoken English and sometimes go outside for a walk. At night, I eat dinner with my family, brush my teeth, and go to bed peacefully. Amazing! Now your English is starting to flow naturally. Very good. Now let's practice longer English sentences together. This time, try to speak without stopping too much. Focus on flow, not perfection. Ready? Start speaking. Every morning, I wake up early and get ready for school. I enjoy talking to my friends and learning new things in class. After coming back home, I take some rest and complete my homework. In the evening, I practice English speaking and spend time with my family. At night, I relax, eat dinner, and prepare for the next day. Daily English speaking practice is helping me become more confident. Excellent work! Honestly, your speaking is improving a lot now. See? Now you can already speak a full daily routine in English. Look how far you have already come. Day 1 started with very small sentences, and now you're speaking about your full day in English. That is real progress. So stop doubting yourself. Your English is improving step by step, day by day. And remember, fluency is not magic. It is just daily speaking practice repeated again and again. So keep going, because your confidence is growing with every video. Now it's your turn. Try to write about your full daily routine in simple English in the comments. Even 4 to 5 small sentences are enough. And don't worry about grammar mistakes. This challenge is for practice, not for perfection. So comment confidently and try your best. So, this was day 5 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. And honestly, today was special. Because today, you practiced speaking about your full day routine in English. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Little by little, your speaking is becoming smoother and more natural. So keep practicing every day, because small daily practice creates big confidence over time.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video, you are going to learn something even more powerful, something that can improve your English and your life at the same time. So stay connected.
All right then, take care, keep speaking, and I'll see you in day 6.